Please poop in my garden, yeah. Poop in it soft. Let that garden grow with all that poop in your pants. Fertilize my soil. Let that poop rise with the flowers.
A lot of you don't realize that house right there. Oh fuck. Please don't tell me it got out. I was keeping in there. They were paying me to keep in there. It's dangerous. Yeah. Yeah, it got out. I don't know where it is. They don't want you to know about it. Oh, it's definitely been here. I don't want to go in there. It's got to be in here somewhere. Don't trust the newt. Whatever you do, the newt, he...
Alright, listen, pal. We only got a little bit of time to do this, but I'm gonna tell you something that you're never gonna forget. You gotta eat the fucking pepperonis. You gotta fucking eat. You gotta eat the motherfucking super fuckeroni. Fucking see this shit? Bah, bah, bah.
Enjoying the water with my brothers. Ah, Goose, you're cold. Of course. I shall grab you some of the water. Hope, Francis, you wouldn't. You know what they say, when water becomes dirt, oh my god.
Blimey, mate, I love having me an e-cigarette to smoke and that. Hey guys. Oh, bloody hell, what you want? Well, I'll give you a $1 if you let me smoke your juice. I'm the fuck up, you fat cunt. Damn it, nobody wants your $2. Nobody wants your dirty fucking lips on these jewels. Why don't you bugger off, huh?
Oh, they just don't get it. It's the biggest bulge of the galaxy.
Oh, holy fuck, it's another episode of Coconut Water and Sackman! Woo! Oh, Sackman, I'm really bored. I wonder what the fuck we're gonna do. Is that a fucking peacock?